Hey you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, first of all, yes, the quality is a lot different for today's video. I'm actually filming from my back camera today because for the longest time I have always filmed my videos from the front camera because I like to see myself when I'm talking to you all. I film my reels using the back camera, but today I was like, let's just try filming from the back camera because I'm not really liking the quality these days. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, discussing about today's video, I have some trousers, some pants that are very comfortable, and especially if you are on the heavier side or if you have a heavier bottom, if you have a pear shaped body type, an hourglass body type, those body types that have a heavier bottom. But also, irrespective of the body type that you have, these trousers will look good on all the body types because of how well they are tailored and they are made. I love the quality, love the fit, and all of these trousers and pants that I'm going to be discussing in today's video, they also do a very good job in like putting some kind of dimension and proportion to your body type. So even if you have like a rectangle body type, so you do not have any curves or body proportions, so these trousers, they will add some kind of dimension to your body type, they'll add some kind of proportion to it, and it will look really nice. They are very comfortable and they are not at all pricey. They are actually the quality is exactly the same like Zara, but the prices are literally more than less than what Zara charges. So that's that. And let's get into today's video. Okay, so these are all the trousers that I have. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, for the very first trousers, I have these. Yeah, I still have the tags on because I only wear it for the shoots. I have no reason as to why I have the tags on. I just like to remove the tags when I'm actually going out in that outfit so that it feels new for some reason. Is that weird? But yeah, anyways, these are the trousers. These are in size medium and you get them for somewhere around 1500 rupees. So I think it's not at all pricey. 1500 for a good pair of trousers, it's not a lot if you look at it that way because you'll be wearing it for a really long time. Tops may you like to go out with different tops all the time, but for trousers, I think if you have one good pair of trousers that are very comfortable, you can wear them to your office, you can wear them to your college, you can wear them if you are going for hangouts. If you are investing 1500 or 2000 rupees in a pair of jeans, it will last you for a long time because you can pair it with n number of trousers and you can pair it with n number of tops. So when you look at it that way, then 1500 isn't a lot, even if especially for a good comfortable pair of trousers, and especially for something like this color. It's powder blue, it's not very bright, not very dull. You can wear it to your parties, you can wear it to your casual hangouts, you can wear it to your college and even to your work as well, because this kind of color that it has, not very dull and it's not very bright, so it's perfect for every occasion, I would say. And if you're wearing this to your office, you can pair it with your white shirts. It will look amazing. और जो आपके white tops होते हैं जिनके ऊपर ruffles होता है, anything in white और anything in neutral colors, आपका beige हो गया, browns हो गया, browns के साथ beige color के साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, not brown. And आप इसको blue के साथ भी pair कर सकते हो, so monochromatic look भी create कर सकते हो, and that will also look really nice. And if you're wearing this to college, you can again style it with your white shirts जो आप ऑफिस में पहन रहे हो, वही आप सेम कॉलेज के लिए भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो एड डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ टॉप. ब्राइट कलर्स में भी जा सकते हो, येलो में भी जा सकते हो, पिंक्स एंड मोर पेस्टल्स. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर टैंक टॉप्स विद अनबटन्ड शर्ट. दैट विल ऑल्सो लुक वेरी नाइस एंड chic at the same time. And now if you're going for like a casual hangout or like a night party, you can pair it with your corset tops. It will look amazing. Like corset tops के साथ I've personally styled this one and it looks amazing. So you can pair it with your halter tops, sweetheart neck tops, like any top with like a sweetheart neck or square neck tops, that will also look really nice. So again, this trouser is something that you can wear at multiple occasions and get the best use out of it. And really love the comfort level. इसका जो fabric है, that is also very soft, not at all see through. It has really good deep pockets, like really nice pockets, and पीछे भी pocket है, and it is so comfortable around your hip and your waist area. Like trust me, I have a pear shaped body and it is so comfortable, and I would give it that. So for me, it's a pear shaped and an hourglass body approved. Okay, so I would personally give these trousers like a 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the next product. These one, they were wide leg trousers, and now these trousers, they are again from the same brand, and they are narrow leg trousers. They're narrow trousers, what do you call it, narrow trousers, yeah. And this is again in size medium, and the price for this one is again somewhere around 1500 rupees. You'll get a discount, so don't worry about that. I'll leave the link and the discount coupon in the description. Do check it out. Now they are again very versatile, as I told you all about the previous one as well, the powder blue one. So you can wear them to your office, to your college, to hangouts. I again paired it with a corset top for like a party look. I'll insert clips somewhere over here, and then for like a black or a white shirt you can pair it with for your office looks. And आप कॉलेज के लिए कोई भी टी शर्ट या कोई भी टॉप डाल सकते हो. टैंक टॉप अगेन विद अनबटन शर्ट इज सो लुक, इट विल लुक वेरी chic एंड वेरी फैशनेबल. आप कोई भी टॉप डाल सकते हो, कोई भी क्रॉप टॉप डाल सकते हो. एंड अगेन द फिट इज वेरी नाइस अराउंड द वेस्ट. एंड इसके साथ यू हैव these two buttons over here, these kind of buttons. लाइक आप एक यहाँ पे बंद कर सकते हो, एंड देन यू हैव दिस बटन. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल अराउंड द वेस्ट. एंड जब मुझे कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता है, आई लूजन अप दिस अंदर वाला बटन, एंड इट अगेन फील्स वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल अराउंड द वेस्ट एंड अराउंड द हिप एरिया. सो दैट्स दैट. एंड अगेन दिस वन इज a 10 out of 10. Now let's move on to the next product. Okay, so for the next product, I have these wine colored trousers. They are again wide leg trousers, and in the size medium, and again somewhere they will cost you somewhere around 1500 rupees or 1600 rupees. And the quality and the fit again for this one is extremely nice. They are all from the same brand, so obviously that's a given. And it again has pockets, really nice pockets. In सारे trousers में they have really nice pockets, so I love that about it. And ये अंदर से भी काफ़ी soft, and इसका fabric भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, so again I love that about it as well. And for someone like me who has a pear shaped body, so it's not very comfortable कि आप यू नो लो क्वालिटी फैब्रिक्स या लो क्वालिटी कंफर्ट में इन्वेस्ट करो. बिकॉज इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कॉलेज और ऑफिस और यू आर वर्किंग फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स, यू नीड टू बी comfortable in what you're wearing. And especially people who go to office, they tend to invest more in trousers. So this is a really really nice brand that you should check out, definitely check out, because इनके trousers, इनकी quality, इनका comfort level is out of this world. I personally was shocked कि इनका comfort level कितना अच्छा है, and with the fabric quality. Because if you are investing in cheap trousers, you will get the comfort, like a certain level of comfort, because I've seen that. I have also done a review about those trousers that I bought at 699, two of them for 699, and they were comfortable. But I also told you all कि उनकी quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So इनकी quality, it is top notch. It is really really nice. एकदम Zara की quality है, very soft and looks very premium. If you see it, it looks very premium. And this is purely for your hangouts and your party nights, because this is again wine color. तो आप इसको कॉलेज में पहन सकते हो अगर आपका कोई कॉलेज फेस्ट आ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है. I love these trousers, again a 10 out of 10, and these are purely for party nights and your fun hangouts, because again this is wine color. आप इसको कॉलेज में पहन सकते हो, you can work it out somewhere, but especially अगर आपका फेस्ट आ रहा है या कुछ भी आ रहा है, and you're not someone who's comfortable with dresses or everything, you can definitely invest in this one. It is comfortable, plus आप इसको अपने corset tops के साथ या रैंडम टैंक टॉप्स, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टॉप्स, आप उनके साथ पेयर कर सकते हो, एंड इट विल लुक अमेजिंग. प्लस आप बहुत कंफर्टेबल भी रहोगे इन वट एवर यू आर डूइंग. सो दैट्स दैट. एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन आई हैव दीज ब्लैक trousers. Well, classic, I had to include a black trouser for you all, because well, everyone I know will be diverted towards the black color. It's very classic, it's very neutral, it's and timeless. So that's that. All of them for some reason have their tags on. I received them like months ago, I guess 3 months. I received them 3 months ago, and they still have the tags on. But yeah, again these trousers, first of all, they do not have pockets, but there are also trousers on their page like black color trousers that do have pockets, so definitely go and buy them. And for these trousers, again the fit is really nice, and they are super versatile, and I'll insert the video of me wearing these trousers somewhere on the screen. And for these trousers, I would be really honest, I did not like these lines that are going like this, because it just weighs you down for some reason. मतलब I do not like कि मेरे bottoms में ये lines हो. I just don't like it. I did not really like this, and इसकी quality is again not very nice. मतलब it's okay, it's like a 7 out of 10. The other ones were like a 10 out of 10, but इस वाले की quality I don't know why it's a little down. let me just check the price for this one. It's you will again get it for somewhere around 1500 rupees, but there are better options in black color which has pockets and they do not have all of these lines and everything. So I think आप उसके लिए जाना. इसका fit सही था, fit में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आई, just that कि मुझे ये lines नहीं पसंद आई, इसका fabric थोड़ा सा low quality लग रहा था, not that much but yeah, a little bit low quality as compared to the other trousers of the same brand. So that's that, and I leave some options for this black one also in the description, so do check it out. And now let's move on to the next one. For the next product I have these yellow trousers. So I wanted to go a little bright and experiment with certain colors, so I bought this yellow one. I actually remember taking the tag off for this one, but I don't know why it's still there. Again, this one looks really nice. I think this is yeah, this is again wide leg trousers, and its price is somewhere around 1500, 1200 or 1500. Let me just check. या इसका प्राइस विल बी समवेयर अराउंड 1500-1600. मैं प्राइजेस सारे स्क्रीन पे लिख दूंगी, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ पॉकेट्स, या दिस वन ऑल्सो हैज़ पॉकेट्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. Yeah, and this looks really nice. Again, this is very versatile. आप इसको कॉलेज में पहन सकते हो, आप इसको कैजुअल हैंगआउट्स के लिए पहन सकते हो, आप इसको वाइट टॉप्स के साथ स्पेशली पेयर करोगे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा. अपने पिंक पेस्टल्स न्यूट्रल कलर्स के साथ पेयर करोगे देन ऑल्सो इट विल लुक रियली नाइस. बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ ऑन द ब्राइटर साइड, so definitely not very appropriate for the office purposes. But and if you are going for like a fun night hangout, night party, and you're not someone who wears dresses or something, you can definitely go for these trousers and you can pair them with your corset tops. आप उसको अपने crop tops के साथ पहन सकते हो. And now lastly, इसका comfort level, quality, fabric quality, very nice. It's very top notch. Love it. And yeah, that was about it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.